Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to advise you not to think of impossibilities. If you have a game idea, design or mechanic, do not think that it is impossible for you to create it. If you can imagine it, chances are you can create it. All you have to do is start small. Do not believe what other people tell you of how impossible that idea is, as what other people believe is usually based around the limited life experiences and the beliefs of those around them. For example, if you go to the past and tell a caveman that people can actually create things that allow them to fly, guess what? He'll look at you like he's looking at an idiot and then tell you how impossible that thought is or that idea is. Do not allow the self-limited minds of others to control you or your creations. If you believe you can create it, as long as you don't give up along the way, you probably can. That's it for this video. If this video helps you, please subscribe to this channel and check out my trading cards game, Godwrath. The links will be in the description box below. Thanks. Bye.